You need to collect feedback from your customer to make sure whether they like the new feature you released or the app or the website or not. It can be your document as well. I will show you how to collect feedback very easily within 2 seconds. Follow me. Go to the feedbek.com, sign up, and then go to the dashboard. Once you sign up, go to the create project, create any project and call it give your company URL, whatever, and then select the feedback that you want to show on the website. I want to show this one, so I'll create the project and then go ahead, copy this code. Now you can show the feedback on different pages. I'm going to show on the host page, home page, and dashboard page. Go to the code and paste it here. This error is from the ESLint, not from the nextjs, so it's still gonna work. You can disable it from the config file. I'm gonna go back to the localhost 3000 and I refresh this page, and you see it appeared after 2 seconds, and I'm gonna give it like good feedback, this amazing, and then I'm gonna submit, and then I'm gonna go back to the dashboard, back to the projects, go to the view project, and boom, here we go. You got this good feedback, amazing, and you got the suggestions and created at this date. So go ahead. It just took me 5 seconds to integrate this feedback, and it's super easy. You can customize the time after which time you want to show it. You can show it after 10 seconds or whatever. It's really customizable feedback. So yeah, go ahead and start collecting feedback for your product and make features that your customer want.